What's up, guys? In this video today I will be teaching you how to make this Lego working shooting pistol. So I'll load it right now. So you take this part, stretch it all the way back to the end, so pull it all the way back, go down there, right there, put that right there, put the bullet in the barrel, and then pull down on that little thing. Okay, let me shoot it. So, or you can do it manually, so you can put it in, stretch it back, and shoot it like that. So for the bullet, you'll need this one piece. I will teach you how to make this piece. So you're gonna need one 2-piece, one by one, and this. So put that in there and done. Okay, and then for this part, I'll teach you how to make the mag. So the mag is very easy to make, and it's a small mag for the gun. This is how you're gonna make it. You're gonna need 2 of these pieces, not the ones that go like that. So 2 of these, one of these 3x2s, 3 1x1s, any color. You guys can do it like all gray or whatever. I'm just doing it rainbow. And 5 2x1s. 5 of these 2x1s. So you're gonna take this piece, and you're gonna take one. We're gonna put it right in the middle. Then we're gonna go boom. Put it like that. Then we're going to take another one, put it on, build it up. Then we're going to take one piece, put it right here to the side, and take this 2-piece, put it down, and then take these 2 pieces facing out, like that. So there's your mag. So we've built these 2 things. Now we're going to be making the gun. So for this, you will need a rubber band. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the pieces that you'll need first. You will need one of these. Then you will need, I'll just take it apart. Okay, you will need these smooth pieces as well. So after this, let me take off all of this. Let me take off this too. And this. And after, okay, to start, we will need I will actually show you the pieces that we'll need first. So let me okay, so here are all of the pieces that we will need. Okay, so we will need one of these, one rubber band and one of these. Well, I'm not going to show you them separate. I'm just going to lay all of them out completely. So let me see if I can show you guys how to make it. So all of these pieces that you see here, you will need. So it shoots like that, and the mechanism is from the rubber band completely. So we will start with a 3-piece. No, we already made the mag. Now we have to make the slide. Okay, so we're going to take our mag, and we're going to take this piece, go like this. Then we're going to take this gray piece, put it on. Then we're going to use another 3x2, put it on. Then we're going to need this piece. I just used this stacked up, so I'll use this actually. So we're going to put this right here until it looks like somewhat like that. Then we're going to take a 4-piece and a 2-piece. So put the 2-piece on like that. Then put the 4-piece on. Then we're going to need a lot of 3x2s. So we're going to put one 3x2 on. Then we're going to take another and put it on. Then we're going to take this 3-piece, put it on. Then, once it looks like that, we're going to take another 3x2, put it under. Then, we're going to take a 4 smooth. So, we're going to take a 4 smooth. We're going to put it just like that. Then we're going to take another 4 smooth, put it just like that. Then we're going to take another 4 smooth and put it, instead we're going to put it like this. So we put it like that. Then we're going to need this piece. So we're going to need one of these black things that you can stick into these. Then we're going to need one of these, 1x1 with a hole. So we're going to take it, we're going to put it right there on that side. Then we're going to make we're going to take this, so this piece, we're going to take it and we're going to put it all the way down. So we're just going to set it right there. Then we're going to use a 4-piece. We're going to set the 4-piece like that, leave it like that. Then we're going to take this piece. I'm going to put it like that. Then we're going to need a 4-piece. No. 4-piece. I'll use 2 2s. So we're gonna need 2 2s. Put it like this. Then we're gonna need a 3 and a 2. No. Then we're gonna need a 2-piece and another 2-piece. Just like that. So once you're done that, it will look somewhat like that. Then we're going to take this piece. We're going to put it on. Then we're going to use this white piece like that. Also put it on. Then we're going to use 3-piece. Not like that. So we're going to use this piece. We're going to put it on just like that. Then we're going to need these 2 2s to cover. Perfect. Now we're going to need these flats. So flat, flat, flat. Then we're going to need a 4-piece, 2-piece, 2 other 2-piece. Then we're going to need 1 rubber band like this. And we're going to fold it twice like that. And then we're going to take this, fold it again so that it's not too tight. So we're going to stretch it around and put it like that. Then we're going to take this piece. So we're going to go like this, put this like that, and it should stay. Then we're going to take our bullet, put it in the barrel, and we're going to pull down. So we're going to take this piece and just pull down. So, see? Alright, so that's it. And this piece, I had to super glue right there because this piece kept falling off and kept pulling off. When I will put it in, it will just go like that and then it will be stuck. So I don't know if you guys want to super glue this. It does make fingerprints like that, but it does help when you pull it back. Put it in. Put the bullet in. Then pull down, but it does go too far sometimes, so then you have to pull it down and like that. So I will see you guys next time, and that is one cool. Or you can do it manually. Like this. Shoot it. I will see you guys next time. That's one cool pistol. It's small. And if this video gets a lot of views, I will teach you guys how to make this knife. And I will see you guys next time.